At NEMO, we never bring anything to market that doesn't create a better adventure experience. Everything we make is designed to keep you warmer, drier, and more comfortable than what's already out there. This is Victory Patio, the go-anywhere blanket that blends a soft, snag-proof top with a long-lasting, waterproof bottom and makes any location feel more like home. We took our popular Victory picnic blanket and improved its comfort and convenience by dialing up the durability factor. The result is a ground cover that can act as home base at the beach or add a carpeted feel to your campsite. Easy to stow and go, the blanket includes an integrated carry handle and built-in straps that keep it rolled up tight when not in use. The sturdy aluminum buckle doubles as a bottle opener, perfect for picnics. Snag-free 100% recycled polyester provides a thin layer of cushioning to protect from rocks and roots. It's patterned with saturated earth tones and a zigzag stripe that calls to mind mountains, no matter where you are. The bottom is lined with a waterproof Tpu to withstand moisture and abrasion. Loops at each corner allow you to stake down the blanket in windy conditions and easily fold up when finished. The Victory Patio Blanket is available in two sizes, medium and large. The medium blanket includes tent pole grommets at each corner and fits perfectly with the switch tent in its sunshade mode. A zippered mesh pocket built into the corner helps keep keys, sunglasses, and phones securely tucked away. Keep one in your car at all times for on-the-go adventures, or add it to your kit for a cozier campsite experience. And like all NEMO products, Victory Patio comes with a lifetime warranty, so it will last with you through years of adventures.